We're ready.
Steve's ready.
We're ready.
I think Rod's practicing already. We are here, CNOA, Region 2, and it's gonna be a beautiful day. About 50-something degrees. It's gonna be up to 80. I think the forecast is slightly cloudy with sun. You're here in Rancho Murietta. Well, got here kind of early.
Rancho Murietta.
Beautiful day. Brisk. It's brisk morning, but the sun's coming up. So it's gonna be a nice day of golf, and we're gonna have a blast.
Yes.
As per usual.
Yes. We're gonna get our swag on right now.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep. Stuff we all get. And what's the rule today? Stay hydrated. It's critical to your overall health and fitness. Stay hydrated.
It's gotta be the right kind of hydration.
Exactamundo.
I'm a nervous Nelly about these things.
Oh yeah. So it begins.
Yes, sir.
So it begins. Cheers.
Salute.
Cheers. All right.
Hey, there we go.
There you go. Worst day of golf's better than the best day of work. Stay hydrated, guys. We're at the commentary box here. Rod Worst. He is even, 153 yards, and he's heading up to the commentary booth. There is traffic. That could be an issue.
There it is.
Very good.
Body right there.
Yep. All right. Will you see me eat a wiener on camera? Is it herbaceous?
Yeah. Is it herbaceous?
It's woody.
It's woody. Woody wieners,
Got it wet.
buns. Oh, it's
I'm
getting a little X-rated.
You're welcome.
What do we got going on here? We got Deep Eddie.
That kind of
Sorry.
nice setup, right?
I am.
Couple of guys eating wieners. Yep. Whoa, look at that. It's gonna be kind of low. Who's flying that plane? Is that Dave Downs flying that plane? Is that Dave Downs? Who's that?
Yo,
Check out there. Ooh, margarita.
margarita, baby.
Wow, that's special.
Lucky cards.
Oh, Kelvin, I'm back. I had about 3 dry holes.
Wait, that thing might be a condition.
I know you
Very nice. Very nice. All right, gentlemen. Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers.
Life is
Like-
good.
We don't live
Life
on
is
the
good.
rim. We live inside the glass.
Inside the glass.
There's no on the rim.
Inside the
We're all the way in.
In there.
Oh, I like
Oh, that's money.
Oh, Kelvin.
That's money.
Can I call you Kel Hell?
Thank you.
You like Superman.
Alcohol is not a factor. Not at all. That's a killer fly. That's pretty awful. Ooh, I like that. I like that a lot. Oh, inches. That's got it. Sounded good. The final hole. If there's such a thing. We got a bottle of vodka. We're going to mess it up pretty good.
Cheers.
Some artisanal vodka. Cheers, everybody. Cheers,
Wow,
everybody.
little artisanal vodka.
Vodka.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Good? Yeah.
Cheers.
Bottoms up, boys.
All right.
All right.
Cheers. Oh, yeah.
That's good, my friend.
All right.
Vodka. And
Dog.
And he had one more wiener for the road. Vodka and golf, winning combination. Yep.